as soon as our patients are successful at starting to lose weight, things happen inside their body. And this is why keeping weight off is so hard. Patients will always say, I've lost the same 50 pounds over and over again. It's because as you start to lose those 50 pounds, we have hormones inside of our body that sort of flip a switch to try to push our weight back up. Our metabolism tries to lower itself to try to push our weight back up. And we can interrupt and support those pathways with medical care that people aren't always aware is available. I think what I want that patient to really understand is that there is help beyond what they might have tried already, beyond great nutritional changes, which are important, beyond great movement, which is important, stress and sleep. But we now understand that because obesity is a disease like diabetes and hypertension, sometimes we have to interrupt that physiology and or support that physiology that I mentioned is driven a lot by individuals' genetics with either pharmacotherapy treatment, medication, and or surgery. And many individuals don't understand that that's a real option.